Hello everyone, today I will explain how to communicate with a servo via Modbus. First, for hardware connections, we can refer to the user manual, so I won't go into too much detail here. Second, there are a few points we need to set in the drive. 1. Driver station ID. 2. Baud rate. 3. Most importantly, set the servo communication method to Modbus. 4. Communication parameter settings, which are set to the first option by default. Below is a communication example. I will explain the first message. 01. Driver station ID. 6. Function code to write a single word. 3500. The Modbus address of the servo writable object control word. 60,600,008. The data length is a single word. 0FD. Write data -3 to set the working mode. The last two digits are the CRC. Next, please take a look at the demonstration. First, establish a communication connection between the software and the servo. The corresponding Modbus address can be found in the Help Modbus list. Step 2. Open the Basic Operations Specialist. Right-click on a blank area to add driver station ID, baud rate, and Modbus mode's communication parameters. Right? 0 to Modbus mode to switch to the Modbus protocol. Afterward, if the host computer is connected via 485, it will be unable to establish a connection unless a message is sent to write one to Modbus mode. After connecting to the debugging assistant, the right side displays several pre-written messages, which are 1. Operation mode write -3. 2. Target speed 200 RPM. 3. Control word write F. 4. Modbus mode write 1. The motor will execute in immediate speed mode at 200 RPM. As you can see, the parameters sent via the messages have been successfully synchronized. The above outlines the steps for controlling the servo using Modbus.